Reboni, CEO, Numeric, onto the stage, please.
I'm proud to be here. First of all, because 25 years of experience, big experience in the sector. One of the most important sector in the country, in a bigger country like India. All the evening I was searching the right word for SanDisk Dr. Sai. No? A lot of words arrive from the heart of everybody. Dr. Sai is the spirit, Dr. Sai is the glue, Dr. Sai is the friend, many, many words. In life, I think I have a large experience in life. I was searching always for the teacher. Somebody that can teach us, all of us, and improve us in life. So, me, I'm new, just 3 months in Chennai, in India, as CEO of Numeric. I'm proud to be CEO of Numeric, but for sure I'm not the person that make the biggest success of Numeric. I've done many success worldwide, around the world, and I'm Italian. So we, as an Italian, we share with Indian people many things, learn many things. First of all, the sun, so the power that rises from the sky. Italy is the country of sun. Everywhere in the world is known for that. We share the culture. Many Italians were very good singers. Frank Sinatra is Italian as origin, Pavarotti, maybe everybody knows, and many others. In dance, we do many classical dance and other dance are very important. And we share another important thing that is the flag, the color of the flag. So I tell you what does it mean for an Italian, the white, the green and the red. For us, the white is the purity, so the spirit, to be clean inside. The green is the hope, so we have always to do, even in the difficulties, the things, to fail, but then to succeed, to think big, as we said tonight. And the red is the passion, no? Passion of Ferrari. Ferrari is doing a few cars, but everywhere in the world is well known, from kids to adult to any kind of sex or whatever. So these are the 3 colors that we share. Another point, very important point, is for sure all of us. No? We are competitors, so we share the battle together. But I wanted to say thanks to all of you, because a competitor is a very important part of life, because without competition we cannot improve. A monopoly is the wrong way to do the things, and everybody is improving the others. So thanks for coming here tonight, and all the best first to SanDisk for following up this important role of glue for all of us. Even tonight, a very beautiful night of cultures and sharing opinion. And all the best to all of you, the big country of India, the Make in India, and all the things are happening. So I'm proud to be here and to be part of these big changes that is happening in the country. Thank you. Thank you to Dr. Sai, especially.